Victoria Eiselstein, and I'm a virtual certified health coach helping you to create a healthy lifestyle from home. I wanted to talk about a few ways you can boost your immune system with everything that's going on in the world right now. I think that is very important. You know, we have gloves, we have masks, we have hand sanitizer, which I think all of those things are good and they have their place, but it's also good to make sure that we strengthen our immune system as well. And so here are some things that you can do to help boost your immune system. And just to let you know that this is for people who are generally pretty healthy. If you are immune compromised, then take all the necessary precautions needed and listen to your doctor. But this is just for general overall health reasons. So the first one is vitamin D. Vitamin D is really important to boost the immune system. And there are supplements that you can take for vitamin D, but the best way to get it is by being outside in the sunlight and it being absorbed through your skin. Now, with that said, also if you're prone to getting burned, be careful. Just be smart, but get outside, go for a walk, go for a run, walk your dog, just be outside. And being outside along with that decreases stress, which ultimately boosts your immune system. The second thing is to eat clean. And this is very, very important. And I've been seeing in a lot of the grocery stores that the most vacant food shelves are junk food. And I get it. I get these are stressful times, and comfort food, it's called comfort food for a reason. I get it. I get that ice cream and chips make you feel good in the moment when you're stressed out. And I'm not saying don't eat those at all, because there's a time and place for these things. But for your overall health, it's really important to make sure you eat clean and stick with the fruits and veggies. Adding things like ginger and turmeric and garlic to your food is really good. It's gonna help it helps it taste amazing, and it also is really good for boosting your immune system. Another good thing is bone broth, which can support your gut health, which, as we all know, gut health affects all of your health. So it's a little bonus tip there. The third thing is exercise. So exercise is very, very important. It helps decrease stress. It helps get the blood flowing throughout the body, which is gonna help boost your immune system. And not just exercise like once a day and then sit the rest of the day, but try to stay active as much as you can all throughout the day. That doesn't mean doing intense workouts all throughout the day, but just stay active, clean your house, garden, just be active. Try not to stay too sedentary, because people who typically live more sedentary lives are more susceptible to getting sick, and you don't want that. So the fourth thing is sleep. Sleep is so important, and a lot of us do not get enough sleep as it is. So make sure you are getting plenty of quality sleep. And when we sleep, that's when our body heals itself. That's when the white cells can fight off harmful bacteria and viruses that are trying to attack our bodies. So you want quality sleep, and you want to make sure you're getting a good amount of sleep. The fifth thing is rest. Now this is a little different from sleep. It's not exactly sleeping, but just resting. And I find that to be kind of hard for myself, but it's very crucial, because we live in a world that's always busy, that's always on the go, and if you don't have anything planned, then that's kind of looked at as a negative, but it's not. We aren't supposed to be on the go all the time. It's not healthy. When you're always on the go, when you're crazy busy, that can significantly impact your health in a negative way, and you don't want that. So just take time to breathe. Just breathe, be still, and just be. And it can be a little hard. I have a hard time just being still, but it's very important to do. Also, I've started these things that I call my introvert days, where I don't have anything planned. Like, I don't have anything planned, and I just kind of do whatever I want throughout the day, and it refuels me like nothing else. Sometimes we have so many plans, and we just need to not have anything planned and just be spontaneous and do whatever the heck we want, within reason, you know. So, number 6 is drink tea. So if you drink teas like green tea, ginger tea, turmeric tea, those are all really good for you. They're really good for helping support the immune system, and they taste really good. And they're really soothing on the stomach too. The 7th thing is to drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is important, and drinking water helps flush out the toxins that could potentially make you sick. Okay, and the 8th and final thing is to laugh. It's very intense and scary and serious out there right now, and it's not to downplay anything that's going on. It's not to say just don't be stressed. That doesn't work, I get that. But find ways to make you laugh. Like, watch a show that is just purely comedy. Watch YouTube videos that make you laugh. Well, look at memes. Do something that's just going to bring joy to your heart and make you laugh, because that's going to decrease stress and it's going to boost your immune system. Those are some tips on how to boost your immune system. So if you have some things that you do that I didn't mention in this video that boost the immune system, let me know. Put down in the comments what it is, and if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.